Yeah, yeah, yeah. You saw me all that noise. Yo, 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 yo. All right, yeah. All right, hold up. God damn. Let's get to it. All right. Just gonna do a little scalping today. Hold on. God damn, why my computer so on? All right, let's see. Gold is looking like I just want to follow. You just want to follow the trend. It looked like it's in a range right now. Even if it's in a range, still try to follow it, but just follow like when it comes to the high point of the ranging, just sell it. Like so, it's kind of like if it breaks out of here, I just change my revert to sell because it'd be like higher high. Like, it's not really making no like any lower low. I don't really care for all of this. This is too much. So right now, look, as you can see, it's making higher highs. It ain't really making lower lows. So as of right now, I got it. I really got it buying still. So buying 30. Let's look at 30. It's not really making lower lows. It just made a low. So high. This is still so right now I got both buys. Just have both buys. And really and now we just wait. Let's see the news. I know we got a lot of news. I really know we got a lot of news. So 9:30, we got the CAD overnight rate, US 30 rate. Damn, it's like and we can't really trade news. So really ain't really nothing to take to be honest. Yo, 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 it ain't really nothing to take. How do you clip? Can you clip? What if I just want to take a clip? I'm gonna need a clip. Oh, clip. How you clip? Participant. How do you clip? I could really write down the time, but every time. But that's like let's see. How do you clip? You choose from the video. Oh, okay. All right, let's see. I don't know how to clip on this. I know how to clip on Streamlabs, but this is YouTube. I could have just streamed off Streamlabs, but it don't matter. Right now, I ain't gonna lie. I probably don't trade nothing because it's like it's almost news. I don't really like trading news. I don't trade against it. I don't trade with it because the stop loss tight, and this is a scalping strategy. I use this scalping strategy to pass challenges because you don't want to spend all day working on challenges. Like, yeah, y'all could do that hour, 2 hours. I don't got time to be waiting 2 days to get 2% or really 0.5% on account. So I use the scalping strategy to hurry up and pass. Really could use the scalping strategy for anything. but I don't really see nothing I really so I'm in buys. So I'm in buys right now because you can see it's upwards. It's going up. So as of right now, the only ones I would have bought so far, I was in buys. Was this with a loss. What else? Uh, I'm gonna tell you all the buys I would have bought. This one, you would have won, and this one. So you'd have been 2 for 1. If I woke up a little earlier, I would have been 2 for 1. The buy right here, lose. Can't really get this one. Can't get this one. You see this one, buy right here, win. Buy right here, win. So you'd have been 2 for 1. You could have bought this one as we were speaking, but let's see. I wish it went lower. I don't really like this one. I'm not saying you can't buy this one because it is kind of. I just wanted it to go lower, so you could have bought this one now. But I wouldn't buy it. And when is news? The first news is 9:45, so I'm really in the clear. Like I said, we woke up a little earlier. Shit, we would have been 2 for 1. Probably got like shit. We probably got like 0.6% on the account. We down -1 on the account, but we good. Yo, hold up. Yo. Ah, yeah, it's working. What's good, my boy? Damn, the dog just biting in the background. Oh man, what's good? Man, I didn't know how much news it was today, man. I should have woke up earlier and just traded at 5. Well, I woke up at 5 too. I was just standing there. I'm like, I could trade. I just don't want to go live. I should have just traded, man. Let me see what 5 did. I think 5 is probably sells. Let's see. 5. Let's see 5. Let's see. I probably would have bought it. So let's see. I probably would have bought on that 5 o'clock. So shit, I probably would have been losing. So let's see. Let me see. Buy, win. Come down here, buy. I probably wouldn't even have bought that much. So buy, lose. Boom. Buy, lose. Yeah, I probably went 1 for 2. 1 for 2, but what's that? A point that'd have been negative. Man, you just gotta use the statistics in this joint, man. Gotta use the statistics in this joint, and then you be good. But shit, I can't. It's hella news today, bro. Like it was just news 8:15. It's news 9:45. You know the 9:30 candle. It probably ain't gonna move like that. But, and then you got the news at 10. And that's it, really. I should have just no. You got the news at 10:30, but it's CAD. Oh man, it's supposed to be CAD news at 9:45. So damn. Yeah, let's see the account. -1.5 so far. I'm trying to hurry up and pass. Get the small payout. I'll be good. Once I get a small payout, I just feel way better about challenges. Because I only had 1 payout. So that's a L. Like this one. You know what? I'll take this one. I don't really like it. I wish it was. I can't say I wish it was lower because how low can it get? How low can it get? How low can it get? But we could look at other pairs, man, for the time being. Let's see. This news. 9:45. It should take 10 minutes. That would have been an ER too. Whoa, yeah, this would have been an ER. Fuck that. 1, 2, 3 comes up, comes here, enter here. Oh shit, I would have caught an ER right here too. Would have caught a nice setup right here. 1, 2, 3 doesn't break, comes up, comes down, enter here. Would have got a 3 to 1, 3.5 to 1. Damn. But yeah, man. Oh shit. Let's see. Video. Let's see. What the hell was I gonna do? Oh yeah, trade locker. Damn, I be forgetting fucking. Man, probably nothing, man. I ain't in nothing so far. Because bro, it's too much news, and you know the fucking prop firms don't really do news trading like that. I should have woke up at 5. That's what I should have did. I usually just trade gold and 30 for the scalping. I should have woke my ass up. I was up at 5, but I'm like, man, I don't want to go live, so I just didn't trade. But I should have just traded without fucking going live. It don't really matter. Yeah, I should have just traded without going live. I should have just traded without going live. Yeah, man, I'm trying to. You know, and then there's hella news today, so I ain't really in the best, you know. Let's see, 125. I could answer this one right here, but I don't really like it to be honest. But nah, it's pretty okay. Like we in buys, but dude, we in buy because I don't give a fuck what this say. It could still be sales, but if it just sells, that means we're just wrong. That's all it means. We could be in. We could enter for the buy right now if we want. Overall, it's a buy, but you see, it was selling. It's making higher highs. Boom, not breaking. So we just scalp off the thing. Let's see what price do, man. And then 30. Shit, what the hell I said for 30? We was buying? Yeah, we buying 32. Shit, everything we buying. I probably would have entered. There's no entries. The only entry, I ain't gonna lie, it would have been 2 for 2 today. Nah, 1 for 2, because right here you could have entered. Boom, that would have been a loss. That would have been a loss. To enter right here again, that would have been a W. Or if you ain't enter right there, you could have entered right here, and that would have been a W. So you'd have been either 1 for 1 or 2 for 1. Mainly, maybe 1 for 1 because you wouldn't enter this one, then enter that one. And if I entered this one and enter that one, I would have made stop loss that one, and that would have been fucking 4R. You just gotta learn how to compound an account. But yeah, nah, we trading US 30 gold, but it ain't really nothing to it because shit. It's hard to trade because fucking news killing me right now. So I just want to wake up See if I get some new people, man. I was chopping up with someone yesterday, man. They was fucking with my strategy and shit. Got a solve. They was talking about I should just make a new YouTube channel. I was thinking about it. I was like, man, yeah, compounding is key. I could have. That's when I enter two. I just make the first, wherever got the highest take profit. I make that shit the next take profit for the other jump. But yeah, this don't work because I passed two steps. You know, top step. I think it's not top step. Top tier, trash as hell. One of my man said it. He was like, He called me up the other day. He was like, just make a new YouTube channel because this one old. But I'm like, man, I don't care, man. If I make a new YouTube channel, it's gonna be on something different. And shit, I don't even know how much subs I got. I know I almost got 100 so far. Yeah, that shit don't really matter. Yeah, so this with a loss right here. Yeah, I'm gonna get 100 soon. Yeah, this one lost. Boom. With a loss. I told you I ain't really feel this one like that anyway. This would have been a cool one though, but I didn't really feel that one. 30, I would have been 1 for 1. Yeah, I'm trying to get the subs up. God damn. This is gonna get this soon. You gotta probably have to keep dropping. 30. Damn, I'm just mad. It ain't. I really don't know when to trade because what news 940. 930. I don't think the 930 candle gonna do nothing because so much fucking news. News already happened 8:15. Then news 9:45. Then news 10 o'clock. Then more news at 10:30. I'm like, damn. But it's CAD. It's CAD news 9:45. And then US news at 10. So I don't know. I don't want CAD to do some weird shit and affect the market. I would have took that one, so I usually leave that joint here. I'd have took this one. I marked it up. Well, yeah, overall, yeah, I got it going up. Well, key is kind of ranging. Boom, 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 boom. If it keep dropping, I just won't take none. You just gotta be smart. Gotta know market structure a little bit. Market structure a little nasty on the smaller time frames, but it really doesn't matter. When you see this shit for a long time, you start to get to noticing. So this week I've been. I only took two trades. Last week was crazy trade. I don't know what the fuck happened last week. Last week was crazy trade. Now look at this. This is even lower. This would have been this one would have shit. I'm like, what the hell is this? I remember first seeing that when I was trading. I was like, why are you making this shit so difficult? This was a good one too, but look how this one about to smack. I would have took this jump. So let me leave this one here. I would have took that one. Guarantee I would have took that one. Knowing me, I would have took it. Well, let's see. 1, 2. This will almost be an EI too. If it doesn't break area, if it keep coming back here and doesn't break, I usually would enter. Let me see. Cool. I don't know. Let's see. Cool, man. Right now, anyway. I ain't gonna lie, I just like looking at the fucking overall move for stocks now. Stocks, I'm only looking at fucking dailies and shit. All right, let's see. I ain't gonna lie. If you enter Google, now it's a good. Let's see. Oh yeah, hell yeah, it's a good. If you I don't know how you. If you holding that bitch for a long time, yeah, it look good to me. Bought somewhere. Ooh, it look good. Maybe it go down a little more. Maybe it don't. But it's not breaking. It's not breaking. Boom. Higher high. Boom. I probably would have entered somewhere like right here. Right here. If I was trading options, I enter something right here. I ain't gonna lie, I probably wouldn't have a stop loss because I'm holding this shit forever. And low key, I probably would have just held to like 300%. 35. I got 35K. Damn, my man. Ooh, my man's got that money, man. Shit, I'm trying to get like you. Yeah, I probably would have entered, probably tried to got like 200% off trading options and got out. Or if it went, yeah, I probably would have got maybe 300% dependent. I would have went for 300%. So if I entered Google, I don't know what 300% is on trading options. It'd be wishy-washy. I don't really know. But I would have entered Google around May, probably the beginning of May, probably like May 10th, and probably would have got out probably at the end of May. Shit, that would have been 200. I think it would have been 200. Let me see. Yeah. I got price going to. Let me see. This would have been 200. I don't know. I'm saying 12% and 12 for 100 times 100. It would have been 120. Fuck no. Probably would have been higher, wouldn't it? 120%. Because if you buy from here, times 12 times 100, 120. Man, I don't know. But you gotta go to 180. Let's see. Yeah, that's a good nah. Yeah, that's a good spot right there, 180. Hell yeah. Okay. 178, 180. Low key, shit. It's gonna come back up there eventually. I don't know when, but that's a nice spot. I would just go for 200%. Like I would have entered here. Maybe this would have been 200. If it's 120, I probably wouldn't have been greedy until. Let's see. Enter somewhere right here. Yeah, enter somewhere right there. Ooh, yeah, I would have been. Yeah, I would have ate. Yeah, that's good right there. That 180. Yeah, I like that 180. Yeah, I know trader. I ain't trade options since shit. Was it beginning of this year? Yeah, the beginning. And I was like, man, I made what? Like, I was making money on options too. Because I was like, man, I first traded options. I looked at the phone. I said, bro, I'm not holding this shit for 1 week. I'm going to just hold it for a month. But it'd be my whole fucking 700. So I used to be scared. I'm like, damn, I either could blow this 700 or make 20% and get out. Or make double it. But I don't want to gamble no more, man. So I stopped trading options. You need money, bro. I mean, you need that money for options. Look at that bullshit. Oh man, I was about to say options. You need that money. I don't want to trade it because it's fucking ranging low key. It could just Options, as long as you got money, I think you can make money. I ain't gonna lie. Just buy a company. This is what I tell them. I don't even think you need to know price action. You don't need to know nothing. Just buy a company that goes up in a Nas XPS5. Buy one of them companies that just did. And just hold that bitch for how long? I mean, that's the honest truth. That's what I did. Shit. I just waited till like SPY went down. Or I think UPS was in a super sale, so it came up very high. And I was like, man, I'm gonna sell this. Held it for like I held that shit for 2 weeks. I was up like 200%. I said, damn. I like options though. Like if I had like hella bread, I'll trade options. I already got money in crypto. In crypto, you know that shit doubles, triple your account. And I bought the crypto at a low point, so I bought my crypto low, but crypto ain't. I need crypto to go back up. No key. Cause the way I bought crypto down here, like I bought it at like 14. That shit was at 24. I'm like, ooh, I'm about to almost double my account. That shit back down. I'm thinking about getting in again, low key. Or I could look for another one like Salon. Like I didn't buy down here. I bought it at like I think I bought like 110 for this one. It was up. I was about to double this one too, but Salon. Then Bitcoin's at 100. Once Bitcoin break, it might dip one more time. But if it don't, yeah, I ain't gonna lie. Bitcoin might dip one more time. Just one more before it rises. It might dip one more time. But other than that, I ain't really got nothing so far. Yeah, it's in the range of market. I wouldn't want to trade no more anyway. Let's see what 30 doing. Like I said, it's buy. All right, man. 9:30. Then news. Shit, low key, I probably have to wait to trade shit till like 12. But I ain't gonna be here all day. I just want to look at the charts. Facts. Crypto, crypto could just double, triple my money, man. You know, I just throw a band in there, let that shit go. Crazy thing, people like crypto risky. It might be risky, but that shit never failed for me. I'd just be holding that shit for a year. Like, dude, that shit made me some money last year. That shit came in clutch. And that shit went to what? And that shit went to like like hell no. What was it at November? Let's go to November. November. We see. I don't even remember November when that shit went to almost 50 cents. And I think I bought in like January. Yeah, I bought in like January. I bought like right here. I bought it at like. Yeah, I bought it like right somewhere down here. I know it was like 11 cents or some shit. I bought it at like 11 cents because that shit almost tripled my account. So I bought somewhere. I don't know if it was January or March. I could really look at it. When I just rolled that shit to here, it wicked here again. Didn't break. I said, I'm taking out. Give me my money. I held that shit for 9 months. But that's better than fucking a savings account, bro. You telling me I put $1,000 and 9 months later I tripled my account? Shit. That 4% high interest account, that's for like, you gotta have some money for that shit. But let's see. Let's open up this Discord. I gotta make a Discord too. I'm just trying to learn how to make better videos and shit low key first. Alright, yo. Alright, you up there. You probably gotta join the Discord, yo. Let me see. Yeah, it worked. Yo, yo, yo. Alright, yeah, it worked. I see the green shit moving. Yeah, 30. Yeah, shit. It's like I can't trade nothing until like later. Fuck. Damn, man. Oh well. Yeah, trading it. Yeah, I don't know. Long-term invest. That is a fact, man. Shit. But I did open up that Discord, but fuck. Yeah, that shit made me some money last year. This crypto alone. That's the only shit I made money. That trading shit. I don't think I was really trading last year like that. I tried the options. I think I got tired of the prop firms. Bro, because it was to a point, man, I'm trading prop firms. I'm not even failing this shit. I'm just a break-even ass nigga. I'm like, damn, I'm doing this prop firm. I don't remember what prop firm I was doing last year. I don't even think I was really trading like that last year, low key. I just remember investing, trying the options. And I'm like, okay, options is it's kind of like trading, but I hold options. Let me see. Damn, I can't. Hold up. I see this shit. I seen the nigga Mike moving. Nah, his camera on, your camera on, not your let me see. Nigga camera on. How his volume. That nigga chilling. My shit on? Nah, cause I can see my. Hold up. Open voice. Yo, yo, yo. I can see his shit moving though. Alright, yeah, I just can't hear you then. Yeah, nigga, nigga had the video on. Man, it ain't really nothing to fucking trade though. News about to happen. 9:30 just open. Not news at 9:40. Damn, I should have just woke up early and did this shit. Woke up at fucking 5. I should have just got my ass up. Let's cancel this because this don't work no more. Or just bring this shit down. One, two, this won't work. 1, 2 won't work. 1, 2 won't work. This would have been another one, but this would have been a loss. That would have been a loss. How you got? I mean, you got the camera, but I can't hear you. Nah, yeah, I can't hear you, my boy. Let me see. Let's see. Hold on. Damn. Let's see. Yeah. Wow, his shit muted or something? Volume. All right, nah, his shit hit the volume on. Damn, that's how you know when a nigga You know a nigga getting old when a nigga don't stop getting tech savvy. I used to know all. Well, nah, I ain't never used Discord. Yeah, I want to trade. I would trade if I could go right now. And then 30, shit. Yeah, I wouldn't trade till after, let's see, maybe 11. Shit, that's my next time I trade, low key. But what, this gold? I would have missed this gold right here. Let's close this shit. I'd have missed this gold. I would have got these gold right here. But the crazy thing is, one of these shits could. Oh, I like this strategy so much because even if I lose more, I could still win profit. I got 1.7 RRs, 3 RR, 3.5 RRs in this bit. Not taking no, you gonna take one-on-one risk. That shit is stupid. Niggas be like, I like that one-on-one risk shit. I don't want that shit. Yeah, I told you it's in a radius, so I'm working. You can enter, but I wouldn't. Shit. I wouldn't enter this dude. Damn, my nigga shit fucked. I'm about to start streaming on all platforms on this shit. Oh, yeah. I might just start leaving on all platforms. Streaming on all platforms. Let me see. Let me end this shit. Yo. Hold on, let me leave and come back. Let me leave and come back real quick. Alright, good. It should be in here. Yo. Damn, I can't hear. I can see this nigga bubble moving, but I can't hear this nigga. Streamer mode is enabled. Fuck all that shit. Nah, cause I know he could hear me. Fuck. I just can't hear this nigga voice setting video. Let's see. You know what? I think it's me. Hold on.
Yo.
Alright, it was me. What the fuck?
Yeah, I know it wasn't true.
Like, yeah, I have to change my output. I'm like, what the fuck?
Yeah.
It was coming from the Elgato shit I got plugged in. Yeah.
Yeah, that's all about.
Damn, I was like, I knew my shit. I ain't tech savvy no more. Shit, I'm like, damn, this nigga shit.
This nigga shit tripping.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
But nah, man, I see you making that money, my boy.
Trying, dog.
Man, that nigga talking about I got 30K and shit.
I'm trying to say I got 100K and shit.
Dang.
They called me to go to work again, but I don't feel like it. I got my daughter.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Go to summer. I don't want to put that burden of having to do everything by herself.
Yeah.
And she got to go to work too.
Yeah.
My daughter could be at her grandma's house.
You were like, fuck it. And then your ass probably was working all the time anyway.
Man, it was.
Yeah, nigga probably need a vacation.
I said, I'm taking a break. They calling me. She say, they got a job June 22nd. That job gonna be like a month and a half.
Dang.
5 weeks long.
Wait. So what you do down there?
I work on turbines.
Oh, that's
Same shit I always did.
Oh, shit.
I work in the power gas turbine that be on the ships and the jet engines and the planes and all that shit.
Oh, yeah.
Power plants.
Oh yeah, you probably just be chilling making that bread. Nah, shit.
That shit easy.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, you start stacking up easy. Yeah, I told you once you get money, it's easy to make money.
Man, I already knew it. I said, bro, if I go to work, bro, I said, bro, I know what I can make. I know what I can do when I make it too.
Yeah.
You know what? Fuck it.
Yeah, that nigga said, man, I'm tired of this shit. Let me make this bread.
God, that's what I said, bro. I said, bro, I'm tired of it. I said, I know what to really do. I just need some money.
Yeah, that's how I felt, man. That's why I said, man, lease almost up. I'm about to leave out. I was like, man, let me just make this bread, man.
God, I said, let me just make this bread, dog. Make this bread. I ain't gonna take that job, but after the summer, I'm gonna go back to work. Like if unless these play these stocks work out and I see like 80 grand,
yeah,
from stocks, then I'll be like, I ain't gonna go to work.
He like, nah, fuck it.
Right. But if I see like, even if I get to like 70, I am gonna be like, fuck it. I really want to get to 660 is my real goal.
You said how much is your real shit?
How much in my account right now?
Yeah.
My stock account? 42.
Damn. And then you said what? 8? Yeah, you probably could do one more bid. You probably still hit 8. Probably like, fuck it, let me just do one more.
That's what I'm saying.
Other than that shit, man, that's why I'm trying to get like you, man. I need to hurry.
Yeah. I got one. I'm just like, if I could get 80, because I just need 60. It's like 3 plays I want to be in. I want to be in Google, NVIDIA, and Google, NVIDIA, Tesla.
Yeah, I was gonna say Tesla.
One more. Yeah, I'm big on Tesla.
Yeah, Tesla. That's
been running for a long time.
Tesla
like,
never had a negative year. I think it's at one time. Either.
Yeah, it ain't going nowhere. Like Tesla always gonna be here. Like he advanced for his time. Tesla and NVIDIA, Google. It's one more, bro. I forgot. Meta.
Oh, I'm about to say, he's still with that QQQ.
Yeah, QQ and SPY is the same. I want to do SPY, but I think Meta is a better play than SPY. Even though SPY is Meta is a guaranteed return too.
But yeah, I know. I did research on Tesla. Tesla guarantee. I know that. Let me see Meta. I don't know too much about Meta.
Man, Meta, I ain't gonna lie, that shit is cold.
You know what? I'm looking at this shit.
Meta, though.
It looked like it's a guarantee. Yeah, hell yeah, it looked like it's a guarantee. Every year it looked like it go up.
Every year. You don't never have a negative earnings, no nothing. Always good. It's a for sure couple. Meta is Facebook, Facebook, all that shit. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, Meta, yeah. And that's what Meta was just too much, man. That's why I said trading options, bro. You need bread, bro. Fuck all that. I'm not trying to trade Meta. The lowest you could have is like 300. That was a whole account.
Oh God.
I was like, nah, man. I only got 500 in here. Shit. I think I got like 3,000, 4,000 in there just on crypto. Shit. All I got in Robinhood is crypto.
He said, all I got is crypto, nothing else. See, I got straight options. I'm gonna start buying shares when I get to a certain amount. Really, when I get to like $1 million.
Yeah, because don't you get like dividends and shit like that from just holding
it?
Depending
on what companies,
yeah.
That's why I say.
Wait, so you don't get dividends holding the options for a long time? No.
Nah.
All right.
You only get dividends for an actual stock. But once you got enough stocks, you can do cover calls and shit like that, just like options. But I ain't getting into all that yet.
Yeah, I told you nigga need the big bucks. I'm like, man, once I got the big bucks, I know what to do. It's just shit, I ain't got it.
That's what I said, bro. I was sitting here. I looked at the woman. I said, I know what you do. The woman called me. I said, fuck it.
Let me just
I know
do
what
this,
you do.
man.
I just need the big bucks.
That's all. So I was like, man, let me stop paying all this rent and shit, all these car notes. Fuck it. Let me just save up. Just keep stacking.
Mm-hmm. You know, get the big bucks. You know what to do with it.
Yeah. The nigga be like, man, you can make 10% on your account. Really, 10% a lot, nigga. You got 100K. You got 200K. That's 20K right there.
20K. That's 10%.
Yeah.
I'm chilling.
Yeah.
Like, people don't understand it.
That's why, yeah, nigga, try to double, triple your account. That shit not realistic, low key. Shit.
It is realistic. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, I mean, like, it's realistic, but it is. Ah, shit. How can I explain this shit?
I made 100% on my account. On one of my accounts, I had 16. I made 16. Really, I made 17 somewhere, 19.
16 what? So you went from 16 to 32?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, shit. I was just scared of options, because options, I was trading that shit. That shit would be my whole profit. I put 500 in there. They be like, you need 380. I was like, damn. I mean, let me just stick with the prop firm till I get about at least 5,000 shit.
Yeah, then you can do a little move.
I can't do shit with no fucking 500.
Nah, you can put one play in.
One play, it gotta be SPY or something. You know, SPY be like $40.
Yeah, some guaranteed.
QQQ, something low. Everything else high. Meta high. Tesla at least 150. The contracts you could buy trash as hell too. I'm like, man, fuck you.
Oh God, that's why I say, nah, I only buy good contracts.
Yeah, I know you can afford the good contracts. Good contracts like 4,000, but fuck it, it's good. 4,000 for a reason.
It's good. I know I'm for sure go get some.
Yeah.
I just buy like 10 of those.
Yeah, that's why I said, fuck options, man. I can't do it no more. I couldn't find no good contracts. Like, man, fuck this shit. This shit gonna blow my account. I think I made like 600 off of it. I just said, fuck it. I put it all in crypto.
Crypto, man. I need some crypto. I just got a few coins that I want to buy.
The only one I got is Litecoin, Dogecoin. I want to buy Bitcoin, but it's like I'm not gonna make shit. And Solana.
Nah, you ain't gonna make nothing. Yeah, you should buy something like Solana, Ethereum, shit like that.
Yeah, I was gonna buy the classic. Damn, I might buy the classic Ethereum, but I ain't never seen Ethereum. Ethereum might be a little low key. All right, 2,000.
Probably like 2,000 maybe.
Yeah, 2,600.
Oh shit! I might want one of them.
Yeah, a whole one.
I always said I wanted a whole Ethereum. I always said that shit, bro. Even when I had a few $1,000s, I said, bro, $1,000. I said, bro, I want an Ethereum coin. So I'm gonna get one day, just cause.
Damn, that shit was 1,500 last month. Fuck.
That's what I'm saying. That shit cool.
Nah, I ain't gonna lie. It's still a good hell yeah. It's still a good time to buy low key.
It's always a good time to buy. It's always, to me, Ethereum and Bitcoin. I'm not big on crypto.
Yeah.
I know a lot of people is.
Nah, I ain't gonna say I'm big on crypto, but it never did me wrong yet. That shit never did me wrong.
Not yet.
Yeah, not yet. Shit. But I always buy crypto when it's fucking low though. That's why though.
Yeah, like right now. To me, it's a good time to buy.
Yeah, Ethereum. I'm looking at it right now. Hold this bitch till like at least to get back to 4. But nah, I probably would.
That's what I'm saying. That shit was like 4,000, and that's when Bitcoin was low and everything. That's when crypto was just booming.
Yeah.
That's what it passed that. I think, you know what? If I make, that's what I'm gonna do. If I make 5K from how much I'm up right now? I'm up like 1,000.
Yeah.
All right. If I make like 5K from this alphabet called Google, hopefully everything work out with them boys. I need that shit just to spike up.
Bullshit, yeah.
If I make that, man, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna buy Ethereum coin.
I
The
know.
whole, I'm just leave it there.
I know. I'm big on Solana coin for some reason.
Yeah, Solana good. That shit good. Just boom out of nowhere too. How much is the Solana coin? Like two something?
Nah, it's 155. I bought that shit at like 120.
What's the high?
The highest it ever been. I think 290.
290. So let's say 300. And it's at 150. That's
Yeah,
double.
and I bought it at like 120.
Yeah, that's double right there. If you get it at 240, 300, get it to 300, almost double.
And then Doge, I don't know. Doge might be my favorite crypto. I don't think niggas believe in this shit be making me money.
I seen though that shit like 19 cents or 17
Yeah, that shit like 19 cents. But I be buying Doge when that shit is fucking low.
19 cent cool though, I think. Cause it's being steady too. I think I seen it the other day. I did look at it like a few days ago, a week ago or something.
I don't be looking. I just wait till it get low. I be like, I'm gonna buy it, and then I try to forget about it, and then like 2 months later, I just start looking. But those I bought at like 14 cents. I almost doubled the shit. It was doubled, but that shit started dropping like 3 days ago. I said, fuck.
Yeah. Like 20 cents.
Yeah, that shit like 3 days ago, that shit was like 23 cents. I'm like, man, this shit about to double. Then that shit was like, that's gonna drop. I said, man, I don't care, man. It's gonna go back up. But Ethereum, you might be on to something with Ethereum.